welcome to another episode. Today is part 7 of our Cera the Bearded Dragon. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and go ahead and share the video. While you're at it, please take a visit to my website. I've got all sorts of stuff available on there to help support me. And with that out of the way, let's get into today's video. So at the end of last week's video, I said that we were going to get into messing with more of the background today, but I misspoke. We are actually just going to be continuing doing what we have been doing and doing further smaller details, brighter and darker highlights and shadows, and just really going around and fine-tuning this bearded dragon a little bit more. So for that, we are just going to continue using the exact same palette that we have been using, our Mars Black, Titanium White, Yellow Ochre, Burnt Sienna, Raw Umber, Cadmium Yellow, and Cadmium Red. We are also still going to be using some blending gel, some mixed medium, and that way we can get in some of those dark shadows with our Mars Black and that mixing gel. And this will really help get that shadow built up and lock in the layers underneath, and then we can go on top and put in some highlights just like we did in the last video. is going to do it for this episode. And if you've been following along, then you should have something relatively close to this. We put a lot of work in today, did a lot of small details. I hope you did your best to keep up. If this is your first time, remember, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share the video and take a visit to my website, and I will see you in the next episode.